cabinet top offers two joint types that influence both appearance and structural strength. When set to inset, the sideboards extend above the top panel, with the top fitting neatly between them. This creates a traditional boxed look where the side panels visually frame the top. When set to continuous, the top panel sits on top of the sideboards, extending over them. This setting gives you precise control over side overflows, which can be adjusted independently for both the left and right sides. To create a top that extends beyond the cabinet body, set the joint type to continuous and adjust the overflow values, for example 20 millimeters on both sides. You can also set the front recess to a negative value, such as minus 20 millimeters, to extend the top forward. This produces a cabinet with a top panel that overhangs on all sides. Keep in mind that overflow extends beyond the cabinet's defined dimensions. For example, a 600 millimeter wide cabinet with 20 millimeters of overflow on both sides will have a top panel that is 640 millimeters wide. By default, the cabinet thickness setting applies to all components, but you can override this for individual parts. For instance, you can set the general cabinet thickness to 18 millimeters while making only the top 36 millimeters thick, creating a distinctive thick top design with overhangs. The top board can also be configured in different ways. It can span the entire cabinet as a single panel or be divided into crossboards at the front, back, or both. You can choose horizontal or vertical orientations for crossboards and adjust both the recess and width of each board for detailed customization. If needed, you can also remove the top board completely. The bottom panel shares the same property options as the top, giving you consistent design control. Likewise, the left and right side panels follow the same logic, providing comprehensive control over every aspect of your cabinet structure. This flexibility in component configuration allows you to design furniture that meets exact specifications while remaining practical for manufacturing.